Hello class, we will do chapter number 13, joining words in your English language or English grammar. Class, in that we are going to learn to use two joining words that are and but. Okay, so let's proceed. Class, we will do chapter number 13, joining words, okay, which are also known as conjunction. Joining words will be known as conjunctions in your senior classes, as when you will go in class 3. So at the time we will say conjunctions, we will not say joining words. So what do you mean by joining words? When we join two words, okay, or two sentences, the word which we use to join two words or sentences are called joining words. Okay, so let's see the definition. A word that joins two words or sentences. Okay, any word that join how many words? Two words or two sentences is called a joining word. Now let's see which words are known as joining word. So the first word that is known as joining word is and. You have heard this word and earlier. Okay, so and is known as joining word. Why? Because it joins two words or two sentences. Okay, for example, here you can see the example. There are two sentences. This is one sentence and this is the other sentence. Okay, I have a pen, I have a pencil. Now you can see there are three words which are repeating. I have a and I have a. So instead of writing these, instead of making two sentences, we can write these two sentences in one. We can join these two sentences and we can make it one sentence. How? By using joining word, which is and. Okay, so let's see how we can join it. I have a pen, and which word we have used? And, which is our joining words. So in place of full stop I have put and. Now I will not write I have again, because already I have written over here. I have a pen and what I am going to write? A pencil. Okay, so I will not repeat I have a pen and I have a pencil. I will not say like this, because once I have written over here, it means same only. Okay, so I have a pen and is my joining word, and a pencil. So means I have what? I have a pen, means one pen and one pencil. Okay. Now your next joining word is but. What is your next joining word? But. Okay. So we use but to show that one thing is different from the other or the opposite. So when are we going to use but joining word? When one thing is different from the other and or they are opposite. Okay. For example, I like chocolates. My brother likes burger. So here you can see both the things are different. Here I like what? I like chocolate. And what my brother likes? He likes burger. He doesn't like chocolate. So this is one thing is different from the other. Understood? So this is one thing is different from the other. Means I like chocolate, but my brother, he doesn't like chocolate. He likes burger. Okay. So how I am going to join these two sentences? This is one sentences and this is another sentences. So I am going to join these two sentences by using which word in between? But. Okay. Why? Because they are different. They are not same. They are different. Okay, so how I'm going to write? I like chocolates, but my brother likes burger. Okay, I like chocolate, but my brother, he doesn't like chocolate. What he likes? He likes burger. Okay, so which joining word we have used? But. And here which joining word we have used? And. So these are the two joining words. This is number 1 and this is number 2 that we are going to learn how to use this, okay, in this chapter. There are more joining words which we are going to learn in the upper classes or in the senior classes, but in your class we are going to learn these two joining words and how to use them. So we will do more exercises from the book to understand it better. Okay. Now class, we will do exercise. I will do few points in this exercise, okay, which is given in page number 69. Take out exercise B. Okay. Now here what the question is, use and. Which joining word we are going to use? And to complete these sentences. One has been done for you. Okay, so first point is, I have a dog dash a cat. So what we have to use? We have to use and. So I have a dog and a cat. So and is your joining word. Okay, and is what? It is your joining word. And here there is only one person that is mentioned, that is I, that is me only. Okay, so I have a dog and a cat, means you have both. You have a dog also and you have a cat also. Okay class, see, a person can have both as a pet. He can have a dog also and he can have a cat also at home. Okay. Now second, I like apples and oranges. Okay, so you like apple and what else you like? You like oranges also. A person, one person can like both the thing, apples also and oranges also. Okay. Now the class, next all are easy. You just have to simply write and. Okay. And you and you can see that and is joining how many words? It is joining two words, cat and dog. Okay. And here also and is joining how many words? Two words, apples and orange. Okay. Similarly, Veena and Dolly, it is joining two words or two names of two names of the person. Okay, Veena and Dolly, both are happy. They both are happy. Now class, come to exercise C of the same page. Here we will use which conjunction or which joining words? We will use but. Okay, but means, I told you, when one thing is different from the other or the opposite. Okay, so here you can see in this sentence, let's read the question first. Join these sentences using but. One has been done for you. So we have to use which joining word? We have to use but. Okay, so the first point is, the lion is big, the mouse is small. There are two sentences, 1 and 2. In first sentence it is mentioned the lion is big, and the second sentence it is mentioned the mouse is small. See, we use but when there are two nouns are mentioned, like there are two animals that are mentioned over here, like the lion and the mouse, and you can see both are opposite in their size. One is big and one is small, so they are opposite in their size. So at this time what we will use? We will use but to join these two sentences. Now we have to remove this full stop and we have to join these two sentences by using the joining word but. Okay, now let's join the sentences. The lion is big, but. See class, in the previous sentence, while using and, you have seen that I have not written this part, not the sentence, this part of the sentence, and I have written this only while using and. But here I am using bird, so I have to write this also. Why? Because this is a different animal. Okay, so but the mouse is what? The mouse is small. The lion is big. Lion is big, but here the another character is mentioned. The mouse is small. Okay. Now class, point number 2. Uncle likes rice. Here is one person mentioned. Then in the other sentence, what is mentioned? Auntie likes noodles. Now here is the another person that is mentioned over here. And both the people, they like different things. One likes rice and the other one likes noodles. So both like different things. So how we are going to join? We are going to remove this full stop and we are going to put but. So this is my joining word. Okay, and I am joining two sentences over here. Here I was joining two words, but here I am joining two sentences. Okay. Now class, come to exercise F of page number 70. Okay, in this they have given mix exercise. Means it in this we have to use and also and both also, but also. In this we have to use and also and but also to join the sentences. So join these pair of sentences using and or but. One has been done for you. So this has been done. Okay, I'll give you another. We will do another points. So I will take point number 4. Here it is written, Ricky has neat handwriting. Full stop. Lisa has neat handwriting. So here you can see this part of the sentence is same. Only the name of the person are different. But they both have what? They both have neat handwriting. So which joining word we are going to use? See class, we are going to use and. Okay, because here the second part of the sentence is same and the first part is only different. So we will write Ricky and Lisa. Now has will become, has is used for one person only. So when there are two persons mentioned, we will write have. Have neat handwriting. Okay, so Ricky and Lisa, they both have neat handwriting. Now, next sentence, point number 6. My bag is red, her bag is blue. You can see here two persons are there, my and her. So there are two persons and the color of the bag are also different. So first part of the sentence is also different and the second part of the sentence is also different. So what we are going to use? We are going to use but. And how? Like this. My bag is red, but her bag is blue. Understood? So this is how you have to do this exercise. Class, I hope you have understood what I've explained you today. In case of any doubts or any queries, you can mail me. Please do your work neatly and properly. Take care.